हेलो एवरीवन। हम कर रहे हैं 501 वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन की एक सीरीज। ये 501 वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन एसएससी में बहुत बार पूछे गए हैं। तो इसका ये फिफ्थ पार्ट है जिसमें हम 201 से 250 तक कवर करेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। फिलोगाइनिस्ट, PHILOGYNIST, अ पर्सन हु एस्टीम्स वुमेन एज द हायर टाइप ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी। वह व्यक्ति जो स्त्री को उच्च प्रकार की मानवता के रूप में मानता है। फिलोसफी, PHILOSOPHY, the study of nature and meaning of the universe and of the human life. Darshan. Physiology, the study of normal function of living things. Sharir Kriya Vigyan. Polyandry, POLYANDRY, the custom of having more than one husband at the same time. Bahupatitva. Prologue, PROLOGUE, a speech, etc. at the beginning of a play, book, or film that introduces it. Prastavna. Psephology, PSEPHOLOGY, the study of how people vote in election. चुनाव विश्लेषण. Pseudonym, PSEUDONYM, the fictitious name used instead of his real names. उपनाम. Scullery, SCULLERY, a small room next to the kitchen in an old house ordinarily used for washing dishes etc. बर्तन मांजने की जगह. Sociology, the study and classification of human society. नागरिक शास्त्र. Spinster, an old unmarried woman. वृद्ध अविवाहिता. Stoicism, STOCISM, the fact of not explaining, showing what you are feeling when you are suffering. वैराग्य. Theist, THEIST, one who believes in the existence of God. आस्तिक. Universal, done by or involving all the people in the world or in particular group. Sarvabhaumik. Versatile, able to do many things. Spelling है VERSATILE. बहुमुखी. Zoology, ZOOLOGY, the branch of biology that studies animal. प्राणी विज्ञान. Abduct, ABDUCT, to take something away illegally, especially using force. अपहरण करना. Absolute, ABSOLUT, one who is perfect, complete, free from imperfection. पूर्ण. Acquit, ACQUIT, to decide and state officially in court that somebody is not guilty of a crime. बरी करना. Acrophobia, ACROPHOBIA, fear of great heights, ऊंचाई का डर. Actuary, ACTUARY, someone versed in the collection and interpretation of numerical data, especially someone who uses static to calculate insurance premiums. Munshi. Addict, ADDICT, a person who is very interested in something and spends a lot of his free time in it. A person who is unable to stop taking harmful drugs. Lati, नशेबाज. Adolescent, ADOLESCENT, in the process of developing from a child into an adult. Kishore. Aerial, AERIAL, growing, existing in air. Hawaii. Agnostic, AGNOSTIC, a person who doubts truth of religion. ईश्वर के बारे में संशयवादी व्यक्ति. Alimony, ALIMONY, the money that a court orders somebody to pay regularly to his former wife, husband when the marriage is ended. निर्वाह निधि. Allegory, ALLEGORY, a story, play, picture, etc. in which each character, event is symbol representing an idea, a quality such as truth, evil, death, etc. Niti Katha. Ambiguous, AMBIGUOUS, that can be understood in more than one way, not clearly defined or stated. Aspasht. Ambivert, AMBIVERT, a person who is both an introvert and an extrovert. Abhaymukhi. Amoral, not following any moral rules and not caring about right wrong. Spelling is AMORAL. Nitihin. Anecdote, ANECDOT, a short, interesting or amusing story about a real person or an event. Anonymous, with a name that is not known, that is not made public. Gumnam. Antidote, ANTIDOT, a substance that controls the effect of poison disease. Vishar Ausad. Antiseptic, ANTISEPTIC, a substance that helps to prevent infection in wound by killing bacteria. रोगाणुरोधक. Apathetic, APETHETIC, showing or feeling no interest, enthusiasm or concern, udasin. Apprentice, APPRENTIC, a person who works for an expert to learn a trade. Shiksharthi. Arbitrator, ARBITRATOR, a person who is chosen to settle a disagreement. Punch. Archaeologist, ARCHAEOLOGIST, a person who studies culture of the past and the periods of history by examining the remains of buildings and objects found in the ground. Puratatva Veda. Articulate, ARTICULAT, good at expressing ideas, feeling clearly in words. स्पष्ट और घाटदार. Artist, a person who creates works of art, painting, drawing. Kalakar. Avaric, extreme desire of wealth. Lobe. Barometer, BAROMETER, an instrument for measuring air pressure to show when the weather will change. Barometer. Beneficiary, BENEFICIARY, a person who gains as a result of something. Labharthi. Bibliographer, someone, okay, spelling है BIBLIGROPHER, someone trained in complying books, articles about a particular subject. Granthkar. Bibliophile, BIBLIOPHILE, a person who loves to collect books, पुस्तकों का प्यार करने वाला. Bouquet, BOUQUET, a bunch of flowers arranged in an attractive way so that it can be carried in a ceremony, presented as a gift. Guldasta. Bovine, BOVINE, connected with cows. Go Jati, yeah. Calligrapher, CLLIGRAPHER, someone skilled in penmanship. Calligraphy, beautiful writing done in a special pen brush. ओके, सो स्पेशल पेन और ब्रश यूज करके जो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे राइटिंग्स लिखते हैं उसे कैलीग्राफी बोलते हैं, और वह जो ऐसा लिखते हैं उन्हें कैलीग्राफर बोलते हैं. सुलेखक, कैलोस, CALLOUS, नॉट केयरिंग अबाउट अदर पीपल्स फीलिंग और सफरिंग. कठोर. सेलर, CELLER, an underground room often used for storing things, wine, salt, etc. Takhana. Centenarian, a person who is 100 years old or more. 100 वर्ष का. सो आई थिंक यहाँ तक आपने चीज़ों को समझा, और अगर आपको वीडियो ये अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें. ऐसी और सीरीज आती रहेगी आगे. थैंक यू सो मच.